reminding you to take care of your health.
Hits, Malaysia's #1 hit music station.
Hey, this is Ernest RP.
Pero nga nung stick mo, bagong bili mo.
Toxic relationships can be really emotionally draining, and it's important that we know when it's time to leave. If your partner always disrespects
Nandun sa bag ko yung ganito.
you can't trust your partner, then hey. Lastly, if they are always negative towards you, you need to get
Continue for 600 meters, then turn right onto Jalan Pay Ramlee.
out the best for you. It's midnight.
Yung nabilang mo niya, mahal.
Token sila mo.
Mukhang maganda pa. Tapayo.
Pag bumahalin kasi yung shopping mall, mahal din yung gamit. Mahal din yung bilihin.
You better think twice before taking out that offer, because trust me, revenge is best served when you're sound asleep.
Hits. Shotgun Hits. Powered by the all-new Hotlink postpaid 5G.
This week on
In 200 meters, turn right at the traffic light.
serious, sometimes near fatal illness or disease, or in Aswan Baharian's case, a multi-drug resistant superbug that can drastically alter the way one looks at life. Accenture's country managing director details how his life-changing experience led him to Accenture and ultimately how he built himself to be the engineer that he is today. Catch Life Confessions with Dr. Reza Abraham. Download the Shock app from the Play Store, App Store, or the Huawei App Gallery now. That's SYOK.
Shotgun Hits. Powered by the all-new Hotlink postpaid 5G.
Experience the best of what you love with Hotlink Postpaid 5G. Enjoy 140 GB 5G internet and hotspot, plus free smartphones for 60 ringgit per month.
Hits InfoZone with Barotoa.
Get best trade-in value and down payment for your
Unang beses silang nagkatagpo sa silid ng isang hotel. Isang
Pero nga muna
pangyayari
ng ano mo.
na kanyang pinagsisisihan.
Pero muna ng
In 100 meters, turn right at the traffic light.
Bold 2024, Sarawak's largest hit shaving awareness and fundraising campaign.
Niya, bisa loob ako malagpilan.
Kids fight cancer by signing up at www.goball.my and create the shave this 16th June at Permaisuri Imperial City Mall, Miri, and on 30th June at Aeon Mall, Kuching Central.
For more information, visit www.gobald.my or fb.com.
Ano yun mo pagbaba? Pagbaba.
InfoZone with Barotoa.
Come and visit Broadwa Pupu.
Ang gara talaga.
Hindi makamove on.
Hindi, dapat maintain yung bantuan doon, di ba?
Oh.
Grabe.
Energy level. Crash. You need a power hour. Request for your favorite songs for a boost of power, energy, and good vibes. This is the Hits Power Hour.
Hey, it's Argan here on the Hits Drive. Ooh, it's been a hot minute since I've been on here. For those of you who don't know the Arca lore, I used to be on the Hits Drive way back when I was on Hits Sabah, so maybe some people will find this a familiar and comforting voice to others. If this is a new voice, hi, I'm Arca, and FYI, we all know it's time for Power Hour, so go ahead and send your song requests to my Instagram, Arca_Dragonfruit, or call
Okay
in
lang
and
yun.
send
PR
me
naman
your
ako.
Yan o.
We're gonna fight those Monday blues.
Yung iba, walang PR. Yung iba, di ba, may asawa nila, di ba? Wala silang PR. Namatay asawa nila, parang wala din silang pera. Ba't ganun?
Hindi marunong, hindi inayos.
Hindi pa nakukuha.
Si Ate Gina bago lang nakaka-PR, kaya nagpunta na sila ng ano eh, Morocco.
Ate Gina?
Hmm.
Bakit?
Nag-ano sila na namasyal.
Sino kasama niya?
Mga kaibigan niya mali.
Ba't namatay ba asawa niya?
Hindi, yung ano niya, PR,
Ah, yung PR niya.
yung application.
Ah, bago pa lang siya naging PR?
Bago niya pala inasikaso.
Sagot na ito. Sige po, pwede na kayo.
Nakakonect na?
Okay na.
5 minutes pwede na yan.